Welcome to the Malta National Aquarium, one of the most exciting attractions on the island. But is it really worth visiting? Let's dive in. Located in the beautiful coastal area of Qawra, the aquarium is home to over 175 species of marine life, from exotic fish to sharks and even reptiles. The highlight? A breathtaking underwater tunnel where sharks and rays swim right above you, creating an unforgettable experience. Families and kids love this place, thanks to its interactive exhibits and fun learning experiences. And if you're hungry, the La Nave Bistro offers delicious food with a stunning sea view. But is it for everyone? Some visitors find the aquarium a bit small, taking just about an hour to explore. And while the experience is unique, the entry fee might feel expensive for some. So, should you visit? If you love marine life, enjoy scenic coastal views, and want a fun experience in Malta, it's definitely worth checking out. What do you think? Would you visit the Malta National Aquarium? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content.